Hello and welcome back. So in this video we're going to be looking at the order of operations, which is also known as BIDMAS or BODMAS. So the objective here is to evaluate calculations using the correct order of operations. So the key idea, B stands for brackets, that's what we do first. I stands for indices or order, so if we have any powers in the number, we're going to do those next. D stands for division, so if we're dividing, we're going to do that next. And M stands for multiplication. So next we do addition. So addition and subtraction, they technically are equal. So we can do the addition before the subtraction or the subtraction before the addition. It doesn't matter. But the key idea is addition and subtraction come after multiplication and division. So here are some examples. So we have 8 plus 4 times 5. So if we write out our BIDMAS, the one that appears first, so we have a plus here and a times here, so we have addition and multiplication. So we're going to do the multiplying first because that's the what appears first. So I'm going to do 4 times 5, so that's 20. So really we have 8 plus 20, and that's going to be 28. This next one, we have a divide and a multiplier. The D in BIDMAS is before the M, so I'm going to do that one first. So 30 divided by 5, that's 6, and 6 times 2 is 12. So the answer to this one is 12. This next one, we have brackets, we have a plus, and we have multiplied by 3. So we have to deal with what's inside the bracket first. So in this case, we're going to do 6 plus 4 first. So 6 plus 4, that's 10, and we're doing 10 times 3, which is 30. So the answer to this question is 30. This one here, we have a plus, we have a power, and we also have times. So I is the indices, so indices is what we're going to do first. So in this case, we're going to do 2 to the power of 3 first. So I'm going to have 3 plus 8, because 2 cubed is 8, times by 4. Then I have to do the multiply next, because M comes before A in BIDMAS. So I have 3 plus 8 times 4, which is 32. And 3 plus 32, that's going to be 35. So the answer to this question is 35. So here are some quick fire practice questions on this topic. Pause the video, have a go at these, and I'll reveal the answers in a moment. Okay, so well done if you managed to have a go at those. So I've just displayed the answers on the screen, and that's everything for this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in another video. Bye!